Are you tired of hiring agencies that are too expensive and slow and using Canva templates that feel generic and off brand? Then I have a solution for you, and that solution is Holo AI. Holo AI is an AI ad generator that instantly creates high converting ad headlines, descriptions, and visuals that are optimized for your product and for your audience. They have tested ad formulas and are able to build customizable ads for your business. So let's jump right in and take a look at how you can get started with building your ads using Holo AI. So to get started with Holo, simply head on over into tryholo.ai. Once you do that, you're going to click on Buy Now. And once you click on Buy Now, you can redeem a 50% discount right now. So you're just going to proceed over here. Once you do that, you're going to proceed with your purchase and then fill in your information to complete your purchase on Holo AI. Now, once you've completed your purchase, you're going to move forward into the next step. So we're going to continue to our login, and just like so, we're just going to be proceeding over here. Now from here, you're going to get a confirmation code in your mailbox. I'm just going to open up my mailbox over here, and this is my confirmation code that I'm going to copy, and we're just going to paste that into Holo AI. And just like so, here we have Holo. We're going to continue on over here to start building our brand. First off, you're going to enter your website URL so that Holo AI is able to understand the type of product or service that you are selling. So it is able to tailor and create customized tone and styles to match your brand with proven boosted CTR and reducing your CPA. So we're going to be taking the Rhode Beauty brand or the Rhode Skin brand that is a popular makeup brand by Hailey Bieber. So we're just going to use that as an example today. Then we're going to proceed. Once we do that, Holo is going to proceed with the language that we want to use when creating this content. Because if you're building content for a newer audience, if you're targeting a new region, you might even want to experiment with different languages. But for today, we're just going to be proceeding with English over here. After that, we're going to be naming our business. So our business is called Rhode, and then we're going to be selling products, and then we're just going to click on continue over here. So right now it has taken around 2 minutes to analyze our brand, and then after that, you guys can see on the bottom right, it's currently generating. So I'm just going to refresh our page, and then we can proceed on to the next step. So our analysis has been completed, and we're just going to click on continue over here. Now, once the analysis has been completed, it's going to give you a summary of the information that it has extracted from your website. So your colors, including your logo, the overall tones, the style, the information about the brand, extra guidelines, any competitors that you have, as well as your niches. And everything that it has found about our brand, Rhode, is perfect because Rhode Beauty is primarily a skincare and a makeup brand. It targets beauty and personal care, especially skincare, health, and wellness. The main competitors do include Drunk Elephant, The Ordinary, and Tatcha Beauty. And you guys can see the website uses soft gray and off-white tones, minimalist, clean aesthetics, and dark text. So once I have assured that all of this information is correct, I can proceed on to the next step. And if I want to customize the information, I can do that as well. After that, you guys can see you can either add your products manually or you can do a quick import from the URL. To do a quick import, simply go into your shop section for your website and you're just going to be copying any of your products. So I'm going to open up one of our products over here, just like so. And then I'm going to paste it over here for a quick and easy import. Then I'm going to go into the next product that I want to add. Let's say this is the second product that I want to be adding. I'm just going to copy that. And after I do that, I'm just going to be pasting it again, like so. And then my second product will also be imported. Then after that, I'm going to be proceeding with my third product. So I'm just going to go with this product. Now, once our product has been imported successfully, we're going to scroll down, save the product, and then click on continue. Once we've done that, we can move forward into the next step, which is the fun part, and that is going to be building your content pieces. Whether you're building a social media post or a video, Holo AI can do it all for you. So simply click on continue over here, and you can let the AI choose for you, or if you want to use one of their presets, you can also choose one of their presets as well. I'm going to proceed and let the AI choose the suitable templates for our brand, and then just click on continue. And you no longer need to spend hours and hours on Canva, Figma, or other design tools. And you no longer have to pay agencies hundreds and thousands of dollars to be able to generate some suitable content for your e-commerce business. And just like so, within 2 minutes, we have our first piece of content that is ready. So I can click on continue over here, and just like so, we are going to be proceeding. So this is the first piece of content. You can swipe right if you want to keep it, or swipe left if you do not like the content that it has created for you. And I'm going to go with swipe left. Then I really like this one. I'm going to go with the right. And this is very similar to the previous one. So we're just going to proceed on. Now we're going to proceed. I like this one. Now I also like this one, but I don't like this green color, so I'm gonna leave that out. And I like this one, maybe not for my social media ads right now. And we're going to be waiting for some of the content. So we can always edit this later on. You can always make any of the minor changes and customizations to the content that it has created for you. So you're not going to be stuck with just what it creates. You can always customize it if you want to do so. Now, I really like this one. So I'm going to go green, green with this, and green with this. And then we're going to go green with this as well. Once we have swiped through all of the creative assets, we're just going to click on continue. Our first set of content has been generated. So now we're just going to press and hold to finish our first onboarding, and then we can proceed onto our Holo AI dashboard so that we can create to our heart's content. Now, moving right in, we have this full onboarding, but you can skip this if you do not need the onboarding process. You can proceed directly into your Holo dashboard. So we're going to go into Ad Creatives, which is the DNA of this tool, because it is a really amazing tool for ad creative, social media posts, and video content. So we've already seen some of the visual content it's building. Now I want to show you guys some of the AI UGC content that it can create for you. So then you're going to go into AI UGC. And you have two types. You have product in hand or lip sync, where you can turn any kind of image into a eye-catching animation, or you can make product in hand videos. I want to keep a half screen video or maybe a full screen video. So I'm going to go with a full screen video. I think I want to be showing summer, and then I'm going to click on continue. I want her to be using the peptide lip tint, and then I can enter my script. I can click on shuffle, and we can enter the script, create a compelling product demonstration for our lip product. Then after that, we have a few different types of voices that we can play by clicking on the play button on the right side. So you can test these out as well. So once you have filled in the script, you can choose the voice and if you want subtitles. And then from there, you're just going to be proceeding with your video generation. So this is just how easy and simple it is to create these types of AI-based video content ideas or ad creatives or social media posts that can help you in boosting your brand's performance. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and click on the description box down below to get started with Holo AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.